So I'm going to show you how to transfer your stocks from Robinhood over to the public investing app. Now, first and foremost, of course, you do need to have the app downloaded and have an account ready to go. I did you a favor. I'm going to have a link in the show notes down below. Help support me out and gets you a free stock slice when you do so. So I thank you guys so much for that. And right over here, this is what the account is going to look like when you get to the home page. So again, we've set up the account as if you were just opening it up. The one caveat is you got to make sure that if you have a taxable account with Robinhood, which is pretty much the only type you can have, that's the same type of account you want to open up with public. So it has to be the same type of an account. Now, what we're going to do is here on the main page, we're going to go ahead and click on the little person icon on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And this is going to take us to the main section of our portfolio. You can see how much we have and all this other stuff. So in order to do this transfer, we're going to click the gear icon on the top right of the screen here. And then over here, we're going to see a couple different options, but we're pretty much going to be scrolling towards the very bottom here. And you see an option here that says transfer my stock to public. So we're going to go ahead and click on here, and it's going to bring up some information. And this is going to be really short and sweet and to the point. So first and foremost, currently they are doing a free transfer over for you because normally there's a fee with the other brokerage. Like Robinhood charges you $75 to transfer over. Public will do that entirely for free, so they'll cover that cost for you for a short time. Don't know when that ends, but just keep that in mind. So first and foremost, there is no tax implication. Takes about a minute to submit, and then it's a secured transfer, of course, as well. And like I said, we have no fee right over here for the time being. So pretty much all you really have to do is click on that next button right over here. It's going to tell you where you're transferring your account from. We're clicking on Robinhood. We're going to go ahead and click on next here. And it says, are we doing partial or are we doing full? So we're going to click on full if we want to get rid of everything here. Go ahead and click on next. And then again, we're going to be talking about what kind of account we have. We're doing the personal brokerage account is the one we have with Robinhood because that's pretty much all you can really have. You could also do the cryptocurrency if you had that as well too. And then click on next right over here. So here it's going to ask you for the account number on your Robinhood account. So this account you can actually find fairly easy. So I'm actually going to show you really quick how to find this number on your Robinhood account. So give me 1 sec and we're going to switch over to the different app. All right, so here we are now on the Robinhood app, so we can get that Robinhood account number. So all we have to do is fairly similar, is click on the person icon on the bottom right over here. And then what we're going to actually do is scroll to the very bottom of the screen. I'm not going to do it here in real time because that's where you're actually going to see your account number. So if I actually quickly scroll and then I have it, of course, covered, is right there, the account number. So you're going to see at the very bottom your account number. That's the account number you're going to take over and plug in to the public app. So we're going to switch back over and show you exactly where that goes. All right, so from right over here, we plugged in the account number, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the next button. And then right over here, it is going to just have you plug in your information here for your public username, for first and last name, and then your email address, and then you go ahead and click on next. Now, I'm not going to finish up the rest of these steps, but you can just go ahead and finish that on your own. But that's how quick and easy it is to get started. Again, I'll have the link in the show notes to open up a public account. Helps support me out and the channel. You guys are doing fantastic with giving me support, but you also get that free stock slice as well. Now, if you want to keep on seeing other ways to transfer to different brokerage accounts, check out my video right over here to learn the different transfer options you have when it comes to moving out of Robinhood. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.